Hello everyone and welcome back. We hope you're enjoying this series on Pick and Place by CNCTrain. In this, our fifth video, we will delve deeper to learn about how to create events for a vacuum gripper in ABB Robot Studio 6.05. We will see how to construct events for the on-off features of the vacuum gripper suction. To improve robot simulation, we can use events. When specific requirements are carried out, we are faced with challenges sometimes. The input-output signals are assigned to specific functions in the input-output system. The Simulation tab contains the control for setting up, configuring, controlling, monitoring, and recording the simulations. Now we will move forward with the demo and learn about each step of the function in detail.
Welcome to this demo on creating events for a vacuum gripper. Events can be used to enhance robot simulations by defining actions that are carried out when specific trigger conditions are fulfilled. You need to attach one object to another, for example, a workpiece to a gripper, when simulating material handling. The input-output signals are assigned to specific functions in the input-output system. The output 1 signal is assigned to the open or close functions of the vacuum gripper. To configure input-output signals, you need to create events. In this demo, you will learn to create events for vacuum gripper in the robot system. Click or press Next to continue. Select the Simulation tab. The Simulation tab contains the controls for setting up, configuring, controlling, monitoring, and recording the simulations. Click the Configure dialog box launcher. The Event Manager pane opens. Before creating an event, you need to make sure that the station contains all signals and objects that are planned to be used as triggers or affected by the action. A new event will be created and configured for output 1 in its on state. The output 1 signal will be defined for the vacuum gripper suction on simulation. If output 1 is true, the box attaches to the vacuum gripper. If output 1 is false, the box detaches from the vacuum gripper. You will now create a new event for the vacuum gripper suction on simulation. Click or press Next to continue. In the Event Manager pane, in the Events section, click Add to create a new event for the vacuum gripper simulation. The Create New Event wizard is displayed. The Choosing Trigger Type and Activation page of the wizard displays a list of input-output signals. Click or press Next. On the Create New Event Input-Output Signal Trigger page, scroll down to locate Output 1. Select Output 1. Now, Output 1 will be configured to the vacuum gripper functions. Click or press Next. Click the Set Action Type drop-down arrow. A list of action types that occur in conjunction with the trigger is displayed. Select Attach Object. The box is needed to attach to the vacuum gripper, my new tool, once the output 1 signal is triggered in the on state. Click or press Next. Select the Keep Position option. Click the Attach Object drop-down arrow to select an object in the station. Select Box. click the Attach to drop-down arrow to attach the newly selected object, box, from the station to the attachment point of the other object, My New Tool. Select My New Tool. My New Tool is a vacuum gripper. The box will be attached to the vacuum gripper when output 1 signal is in the on state. The Keep Position option keeps the current position of the attached object when making the attachment with other object. Click Finish to complete the creation of a new event for the vacuum gripper suction on simulation. A new event will be created and configured for output 1 in its off state. The output 1 signal will be defined for the vacuum gripper suction off simulation. You will now create a new event for the vacuum gripper suction off simulation. Click or press Next to continue. In the Events section, click Add to create a new event for the vacuum gripper suction off simulation. Click or press Next. Scroll down to locate output 1. Select output 1. Now, output 1 will be configured to the vacuum gripper functions. In the Trigger Conditions section, select the signal is false, 0, checkbox. Click or press Next. Click the Set Action Type drop-down arrow. The object, box, is needed to detach from the vacuum gripper, My New Tool, when output 1 signal is triggered in the off state. Select Detach Object from the list. Click or press Next. Click the Detach Object drop-down arrow to view a list of objects that can be detached. Select Box. Click the Detach from drop-down arrow to select the object from which the box needs to be detached. Select My New Tool. Click Finish to complete the creation of a new event for the vacuum gripper suction off simulation. Click Close to close the Event Manager pane. You have successfully created events for the vacuum gripper suction on-off functions.
If you found this video helpful, you can also check out our other videos in the Pick and Place series to learn more. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below or visit our website www.cnctrain.com. What's going to happen next? Would you like to view it? Subscribe our channel for more information about it and our weekly videos. Stay curious and keep learning. Thank you.